Varactor Diode.
The capacity of this capacitor is proportional to the value of the variable voltage, and for this reason, this diode is also called a variable capacitor. Vectors are used in tuning circuits and filters.
The operation of the capacitor diode is in two modes. If high voltage is applied to both ends, its capacity will decrease. If the voltage decreases, the vector capacitance increases. In any circuit where the capacity of the capacitor must change according to the voltage value, a capacitor diode is used. Leave me a comment and express your suggestions, opinions and criticisms. Please don't forget to like the videos after watching them.